The business landscape is being reshaped by a combination of globalization, transformational innovation, and market volatility. The impact of these challenges is compounded by rapid advances in science and technology, demographic shifts, and disruptive business models. The challenge for accountants is twofold. Firstly, understanding how key forces shaping the future could affect the organizations they serve, and consequently assess the impact of these forces to the business community and the accountancy profession as a whole. The decade ahead will be characterized by a combination of critical forces acting on the accountancy profession. For trust and reporting, pressures are increasing on the accountancy profession to strengthen its public image and go beyond current financial reporting practices to provide a more transparent, simplified, but holistic picture of a firm's health and prospects. For regulatory expectations, the regulatory compliance is expected to become costly and complex. This could drive accountants and service providers to seek process efficiencies and accelerate the development and deployment of increasingly intelligent systems. For standards and practices, there is a drive to globalize accounting standards and practices. This is motivated by the desire of governments and standard-setting bodies to prevent financial excesses and provide governance to an increasingly complex business landscape. Intelligent systems and big data. There is potential to use intelligent systems, data mining, and predictive analytics to exploit the repositories of big data that firms are amassing, and as a result, transform both the operational and interpretative elements of accountancy. Organizational remits. There is an increasing expectation that the CFO and accountancy function should play a larger role in everything from strategic decision-making to the design of new revenue models. In response to the continuous transitions in the business environment, what can the profession do to address and clear public concerns? Focus on a holistic view of complexity, risk, and performance. Financial reporting should provide a holistic perspective that acknowledges the complexity of modern business and encompasses financial and non-financial indicators of a firm's position and potential. We should pursue technology leadership. By regularly reviewing and upgrading accounting systems, accountants will help ensure that current and impending issues of system failures and regulatory requirements are addressed. Professionals should invest in technologies focused on applications that could drive competitive advantage and have a clear return on investment. We should also prepare for true globalization. The accountancy profession should prioritize gaining rapid mastery of relatively straightforward matters such as understanding local accounting rules and procedures for profit repatriation. The key is to develop the mindset within accountancy that is respectful of different practices and cultures and open to ideas wherever they originate. We should pursue training and development. There must be greater emphasis and expansion of continuous professional development to ensure that practitioners are up to date with advancement in technology. Intelligent tools must be adopted to analyze and interpret large volumes of data to help transform activities such as audit and forensic accounting. Lastly, we should embrace an enlarged strategic and commercial role. As businesses adapt to volatile environments, opportunities are emerging for accountants to assume a far greater organizational remit. Accountants should develop skills towards strategic business leadership. With proper responses to these impending changes, the accountancy profession will be given challenges and opportunities to have a more strategic and trusted role in local and global business.